Hey students, today's lesson is on slope. Let's go ahead and start with some key vocabulary. Slope is the rate of change between any 2 points on a line, and it's a measure of the steepness of the line. So as you look at a proportional relationship and you look at that line, you can see how steep it is and you make an estimate to the slope. We can also calculate the slope by finding the change in y, in this case 3, over the change in x, in this case 2. So for this particular graph, the slope is 3 over 2, or 1.5. Let's go ahead and look at our first example. We're just going to find the slope of the line. And one common way to denote slope is with the letter M. So when we write slope in here, we're going to use the letter M. Oops. There we go. M equals, and in this case, the change in y is 4, and the change in x is 3. So the slope would be 4 over 3. Let's look at our second example. In this case, the change in y is 3, and the change in x is 6. So our slope is 3 over 6, which we would reduce to 1/2. So this time the slope is 1/2. We can see that the slope is steeper on A than it is on B, and also the number is larger on A than it is on B. Let's go ahead and look at our second example where we're interpreting a slope. So here we have the table showing our earnings for babysitting. So our first step is going to be to graph the data. So go ahead and fill out on your graph. We want to have the x-axis will be hours. So I'm going to go ahead and label that here, and you do that on yours as well. And then we're just going to count by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's probably enough. And then as the y-axis is going to be dollars, how much we earn. And I think what I'll do is count by 5s, but I'm only going to mark the 10s. So every 2, I'll mark 10. Okay. So now we need to go ahead and mark these points on our graph. So at 0 hours, we earn $0. And at 2 hours, we're going to earn $10. At 4 hours, we'll earn $20. 6 hours, we'll earn $30. 8 hours, we'll earn $40. And I guess I need to add a 50 up here. 10 hours, we'll earn $50. So we can see that this is a proportional relationship because it made a straight line and it goes through the origin. But what we're asked to do is to find and interpret the slope through the points. So I'm just going to pick 2 points. We have a whole lot of points graphed here. I'm going to pick these 2 points right here. And between these 2 points, oops, my pen isn't working very well there. The change in y is 20 minus 10, which is 10. And the change in x is 4 minus 2, which is 2, which means my slope is 5. Now, I found the slope. I still need to interpret the slope. So in this case, the y is dollars and the x is hours. So when I interpret this slope, it means $5 per hour. That's our rate that we're making babysitting. All right. Go ahead and try a few of these on your own, and I will see you soon.